Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Discord images not loading and other connection errors. First method is, type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar. Click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Connected Network Adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click Properties. Use the following DNS server addresses: 8888 8844. Click OK and check Discord images or loading or not. If same error still exists, second method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar. Right-click Connected Network Adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click Properties. Use the following DNS server addresses: change 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. Click OK and check Discord images or loading or not. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.